generation G3C compact 9mm delivers the ultimate balance of power and performance for any self-defense situation. With key new features and enhanced customization potential for shooters and everyday carry practitioners of all ages and abilities. Front and rear serrations are standard on the G3C slide, providing a more tactical surface area for a positive grip, making slide manipulation and press checks easier, regardless of operating style or hand size. A visual chamber indicator replaces the mechanical indicator found on the Taurus G2C, reducing parts and streamlining the slide profile. To provide longer wear resistance and better corrosion protection from environmental conditions, the G3C slide is treated with a proven Tenifer finish, delivering more robust surface integrity to maximize corrosion resistance and minimize scuffing. In addition, all operational controls benefit from a black Teflon coating, which provides corrosion and rust resistance, as well as a reduced friction coefficient that offers smoother operation. Designed to withstand the rigors of everyday carry, the G3C comes standard with all steel front and rear sights. The rear sight is serrated to reduce glare and quicken sight picture acquisition, while drift adjustability allows the shooter to fine-tune the point of impact. The rear sight dovetail is also cut to dimensions, which accept the most common aftermarket fiber optic or tritium night sights available. Engineered for accuracy-enhancing performance, the upgraded G3C trigger has an exceptionally crisp break to reduce shot disturbance and help tighten grooves. A redesigned flat trigger face concentrates finger pressure on the front of the shoe for a straighter pull, while a shorter trigger reset delivers quicker follow-up shots, reduces sight alignment disturbance, and minimizes poor trigger control. An ergonomic grip profile with its expertly contoured palm swell, highly textured grip panels, memory pads for precise, repeatable finger hand placement, and sculpted extended base plate provides a glove-like fit for most shooters' hands to promote better accuracy and firearm retention. For enhanced performance, scallops are integrated in the G3C magazine extension. These are designed to assist in tactical magazine changes should dust or grit prevent the magazine from dropping freely when depressing the mag release. The all-new Taurus G3C builds on the proven foundation that has made the compact G-Series among the most popular personal defense EDC handguns ever, while advancing the all-new Taurus G3, a hard-working, purpose-driven pistol that's as easy on the draw as it is on the wallet. Available in 9mm Luger, the G3 delivers an extraordinary new take on the traditional striker-fired pistol, packing more innovation, more features, and more punch into a range-friendly, full-size polymer frame.
Here at Taurus, we're extremely proud to introduce our new pistol, the Taurus G3. This is a full-size polymer striker firearm, and it has been quite some time since Taurus has had one of these products available.
The Taurus G3, we built on the very successful Millennium G2, G2C platform that people have been able to rely on for a long time.
We realize we have such a great product on our G2 series that we don't need to reinvent the wheel, we just need to evolve it. And the G3 was just the natural evolution of that firearm to give us the new product that we were looking for.
We had a lot of discussion between our team in Brazil, our team in the US, who were talking about we need a new full-size striker platform to add to our lineup. There's a lot of discussions about where to go with it, what to do. We have this great gun, we should just make that our full-size platform. That's where the G3 is born.
This is going to be an everyday gun. It's an affordable everyday gun, whether you're someone that's going out to the range to plink, whether you're a competition shooter, or whether you're looking for something to carry for self-defense. This gun is going to cover every platform.
The standard model comes with a 15-round magazine and an extended magazine that has 17 rounds. We also will have a version available that has two 15 rounds for some of the states that limit the capacity of the handguns to 15 rounds, and we'll have a version with two 10 rounds magazines for the states that limit that capacity to 10 rounds.
The trigger system in the G3 is a single action striker fired trigger, and it also has the Strike 2 capabilities. But with all of that, you still have a very smooth trigger press, a crisp break, and you have a positive reset that allows the shooter to make faster follow-up shots, and it's just easy to shoot.
They did a great job on the ergonomics of the gun. It feels great in your hand. They also did a great job with the texturing. It's an aggressive texturing, but yet it's still comfortable. It's not gonna hurt you when you shoot, but you get great control of that gun due to the texturing.
These textured grip panels allow you to have a stronger purchase on the gun while you're shooting. If you're out on the range all day, your hands might be sweaty, or if you get nervous, you're still going to be able to have a good grip on the gun.
The gun has a steel slide that has nitrocarburizing finish, which is great for corrosion resistance, but also great for wear. Very, very hard surface.
The sights that come on the G3 are going to be the standard 3-dot fixed sights, but we will offer future versions with night sights. And then there's also a Picatinny rail on the front end of the gun, so that if you want to add a light or laser or a combo, then you have that option. We're extremely excited to add the G3 to the Taurus lineup of firearms, but we're even more proud to be able to offer it at such an affordable price without sacrificing the quality and reliability.